Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Boss. If you've ever dreamed of building your own smart AI assistant or chatbot, but coding felt like a roadblock, this video is your golden ticket. Today, we're diving into a no-code solution that puts AI agent building right at your fingertips. Say hello to Abacus Chat LLM, a powerful tool for creating customized chatbots and AI agents with zero programming knowledge required. And at the heart of it all is AI Engineer, an intuitive feature on the Abacus AI platform that lets you build task-specific bots capable of doing real work. Whether you want to automate customer support, track stock updates, or get daily research summaries sent straight to your inbox, this tool has something for everyone. It's fast, customizable, and surprisingly affordable, especially when compared to other options like ChatGPT. So buckle up, because in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to create and deploy your own AI-powered chatbot or agent from scratch, step by step. Once you've signed into your Abacus AI dashboard, you'll notice a drop-down menu at the top of the screen listing multiple advanced AI models, including GPT-4, Claude Sonnet, DeepSeek, and others. But for today's guide, we'll be focusing solely on the AI Engineer feature. Here, you'll see two main paths. Create a custom chatbot. Create an AI agent. Let's begin with the custom chatbot option. Once selected, AI Engineer will prompt you to define the bot's purpose and whether you'd like it to reference specific documents or datasets as its knowledge base. This is where customization gets really powerful. Now let's dive into the second option. Building an AI agent. Click on Create an AI agent, and you'll be presented with a list of pre-built templates, each designed for a specific task. You can either choose from these ready-to-go agents or define your own using a custom specification. Let's first take a look at the built-in templates. News Reporter Agent summarizes the latest headlines and insights on any topic. Research Assistant Agent finds and summarizes academic papers and articles. Document Entity Extractor pulls out key names and terms from uploaded docs. Email Answering Agent connects with Gmail, reads and replies to messages. Portfolio Tracker Agent tracks stocks and sends you news plus updates daily. Let's go hands-on with the Portfolio Tracker Agent. This is perfect for anyone involved in the stock market. When you select it, AI Engineer will ask if you'd like the agent to be autonomous. Next, simply enter your email address for receiving updates. Type in the stock tickers you want to follow. Hit Submit. Just like that, your agent is active and will send you curated updates every day, helping you stay informed without lifting a finger. Next, let's try the Research Assistant Agent. This one is ideal for students, professionals, or anyone who's curious about a topic. It pulls up-to-date research and condenses it into a simple summary. To set it up, enter a topic you'd like to research, anything from AI in healthcare to quantum computing. Provide your email address, click Submit. Now the AI will scour the internet for recent academic papers and articles, compile the insights, and email you a clean, easy-to-read summary with links to each source. If none of the templates fit your use case, no worries. You can build a fully custom AI agent using the custom specification option. Let's say you want to build a bot that follows your favorite sports teams. Select Custom Specification. Give your agent a name like Sports Update Agent. In the description field, write, "An agent that sends real-time updates on scores, player stats, and sports news for my selected teams." Hit Submit. You'll now be asked to list your favorite teams. Submit again, and in just a few seconds, your very own sports AI agent will be active, ready to deliver updates straight to your inbox. And that's how simple it is to build powerful AI tools with Abacus Chat LLM and the AI Engineer. From smart chatbots that answer customer questions using your own data, to dynamic agents that track stocks, summarize news, research academic content, or follow your favorite teams. All of this is possible in just a few clicks. No code, no technical headaches. Just AI that works for you. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI and tech tutorials, and check out the link in the description to try Abacus AI Chat LLM for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.